Hi everybody, it's a beautiful day, so I thought this might be fun to do outdoors. What we're going to do today is we're going to make a bubble blower so that we can blow snake bubbles. So it's sort of a two-part project. First we make the bubble blower, then we make the bubbles, and then of course we try it out. So let's get started. What you need is just the size of a water bottle or a 20-ounce soda bottle, not one of those huge ones. And then you need, for your bubble blower, you need a square of fabric. This is felt, and I think this is supposed to work pretty well, but I read that you could also use an old sock, which I did not try, but you could always try that. So you cut it into a square. This is probably about 8 to 10 inches on each side. Okay. Now the next part, and this involves an adult, I use a serrated knife because I cut the bottom off of my bottle. Okay, I'm not going to do it now, and it's not hard because the plastic is pretty thin, but it is a job for an adult. Okay, so you cut the bottom off of your bottle. You might save this because this could be kind of a cool thing to use to do a project with also. But anyhow, and make sure you still have the cap too. Keep the cap on tight. You're going to place your bottle down on top of your fabric, like so. Oh, I'm sorry, you also need a rubber band. Okay. Place your bottle down, lift up the sides. This probably takes 2 people. It would be easier. One person would hold the fabric on, the other person can get the rubber band on, and do it a couple times. So that's it. That's our bubble blower. Okay. Actually, I said keep the cap, but you don't need it when you're going to be blowing your bubbles. So we can set that aside for now. The next part of this project is to make your bubble solution. And I have everything I need here, and I'm going to give you the recipe. I'll hold it up, and if you can see it, we start with a half a cup of dish soap, 1.5 cups of water, and we need 2 teaspoons of sugar. I've already measured it, but I used a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of sugar, okay? So in a shallow pan, this is a cake pan, if you have some sort of a dish, but I think this works really well. I put my water in. I add my dish soap. I'm not going to splash it around or anything because I don't want to make big bubbles in the pan. I want to just mix these together gently. Get all the dish soap out of there. Okay. Then I'm going to add my sugar. And then it says gently stir. We don't want to make a lot of bubbles in here, so I'm just kind of getting it all together here until it looks like it's kind of mixed together. And you probably can't see mine, but I will turn the camera so you can see it in just a minute. So I kind of gently stirred it. I didn't stir up a lot of bubbles. Trying to get that sugar to melt, hoping it works. Okay, we're going to clean that up after. Okay, all that's left is for us to give it a try, so let's give it a try. Put this in the mixture, and this is good for, now you definitely have to do this part outside because you don't want to create a mess in the house. Let's see what happens. I haven't done it before either, so let's see if it works. Oh, here they go. Here go the snake bubbles. Let's do a little more here. How about that? Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. I think the trick, part of the trick is to go slow, blow on it slowly, okay? Going to have soapy bubbles all over the patio, but that's okay. How about that? It worked. Excellent. Have a great time. Don't get too soaked up. Bye-bye.